Hi, it's Tina. So I made it to 1.5K in my YouTube and my Instagram, and I want to say a big thank you to everyone who's liked and followed and subscribed and watched. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you so much for keeping my accounts alive and helping me do what I love to do. So you guys give me a great reason to do it. Anyway, it's time for a giveaway. So I did promise a giveaway when I reached 1.5K. I'm not sure if anyone's keeping track, but I actually created this piece with the giveaway in mind. Can you see that? There we go. Anyway, that piece is called Sea Glass, and it's up for grabs. So if you're following my Instagram and my YouTube, there will be a bonus if you're following both accounts, as well as the sea glass piece. So just follow the instructions in the description below, and best of luck and best wishes in 2022, and thank you again for all of your support.